got a vacuum.
Hey, look what you got.
Look
You
at
got a
that.
puppy. Look at the puppy. Hey, you got
What
a
is
puppy.
it, Ash?
It's a puppy.
It's a shy. Look. Oh, it's so nice and soft, huh? What else do we have? Ooh, look. Let's open this for him. Okay?
Vacuum it all up.
Okay, Asher, you want to get yours?
Here.
That present is from Grandpa and Grandma Beth. No, the green one.
This one here. Eat it.
You got a book, Aiden.
Look at this. Another tractor. Look, another tractor.
Another tractor. And what's behind it?
A wagon.
A wagon. And what are the red
Storybook.
things? What are the red things?
I don't know.
Gates?
Yeah.
That one? That's for Grandma and Grandpa Beck.
What is that? See what that is? Look at the front of it. What is that?
A bear.
Yeah. With what? What are the little green things?
I don't know.
Bales of hay? Let's see if we can get them. How does this work, huh?
A baler.
And the little.
You can bale hay with that?
I think it opens and closes. So you can put the hay inside. Oh. The other way.
And if it makes a mess, Aiden can just vacuum it up.
There you go. Like that. Close it. And then you drive to where you want to drive with the tractor. And then you
Where's the
open it
tractor?
and spit it out. So you open the tractor.
Yeah.
And then you gotta take the bales of
And
hay.
then there's cows right
There's
here.
cows.
Well, they have to eat the
Because they
hay.
have to eat the hay.
Yeah, they eat the hay.
And you can haul the hay in your wagon. Yeah. You're working so hard.
I think he's got a real future in domestic maintenance.
Probably.
And there's a trailer. Oh, look, a new one.
Can you hook it up? Ooh.
That looks cool. How cool is that? And you got a little trailer too.
Now you're going to spit it out. You put it in your wagon. Get it.
You gotta get it to the cows. There you go.
Hey, these are little gates, Grandpa.
Yeah, you can build stuff with them.
Little
Can you
gates.
Can you look at Daddy and tell Grandpa and Grandma thank you?
Thank you.
Is that your favorite present?
Yeah.
That looks neat.